right, here we are on our way to hike the Appalachian Trail, and there is a tree in the road. We're gonna have to try to move this beast. So this is on our way to meet our shuttle driver at 6 a.m. She was going to pick us up at the Andy Lane Trail parking lot, which would be the end of our hike. And then she would shuttle us to the beginning of our hike, which would be McAfee Knob parking lot. And when we came around this corner, this tree was down. So luckily, she just got caught by the tree too. So we all worked together to clear this out so we could get on our way.
Right there.
Okay.
Tons of it. So don't get in there.
Get it all over me.
Yeah. Oh, poison oak. Oh,
yeah, right there.
Lovely.
Tons of it.
We got poison oak over here. Jay's trying to chop that big piece in half. So maybe we can get past. Oop. Nice big chunk came flying past me, Jay.
Perfect. So if you're wondering where we got the axe and the folding saw, the car with the hazard lights blinking was a girl coming from the other way, and she ran into the tree. So she was stuck on there, and she pulls a brand new axe and a folding saw out of her trunk, and she's like, "Hey, you guys use this? Will this help?" And we're like, yeah, thank you.
All right, we should be able to get through.
Yeah, like I said before, they close it off.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
We got to get going.
All right.
I think I can get through, y'all.
Yes, success. All right, here we are on our way to McAfee Knob Trailhead parking lot with our shuttle driver. Anything to say back there, Mike?
So the tree that was down was covered in poison ivy.
Oh, goody.
So I had gloves on, but I catch it really easily, so we'll see what happens. It might be a fun weekend.
Ian, anything?
Yeah. No, I actually, when that tree was down, that was the first thing I was looking for, was poison oak.
All right.
Yeah, so I was making sure.
So we'll see how it goes. Almost there with this beautiful weather.
Yeah, if you find any jewel weed, rub the jewel weed on you.
I don't know what jewelry even looks like.
Well, that doesn't help, does it?
No.
Jewel weed?
Jewel weed. Yes, it supposedly, you usually find it close to where poison ivy is, and if you rub that on you, supposedly it keeps you from getting it.
All right,
like it absorbs the oils. And,
Okay.
So
Oh, there's a bear.
Seriously?
yes, right in the middle of the field.
Yeah, there's a bear. Nice.
I was gonna say, can we get
I was like, what?
Filming. Well, we saw our bear. I hope that's the only one we really see. All right, jewel weed is what we're looking for if we get poison ivy. There's some cows. It's pouring down rain. All right, we just got dropped off at McAfee Knob Trailhead parking lot. Here we are. Oh. The rain has currently stopped. It's about 58 degrees. Here we are getting set up over here. There's Mike and Ian, there's all our stuff, getting our rain gear on. And we end up going right through there. Appalachian Trail parking for McAfee Knob. Nobody's here because it's 6:36 in the morning and it's raining. Currently it's not raining. Mike and Ian, we ready to do this? Heck yeah, we're ready to do this. We're gonna go right up that way. And we are off to McAfee Knob. It says 3.9 miles. Appalachian Trail. Set my feet on it. They are on it. Here we go.
Hi, Jay. How are you?
Oh, here comes the rain, Mike. Starting to rain a little more. All right, our first white blaze. There it is. So that's what you follow on here all the way. White blazes. They're on the whole trail. all 2,190 miles of it. We are only going to do a 10-mile section of it from mile 710 to mile 720. So that's our journey. So I guess after you pass a white blaze, you're supposed to be able to see another white blaze. Yep, and I see it up there. So that's what we'll be doing. That's cool. Here come my compadres.
Hi fellas, guess we're gonna camp tonight in a little lean-to here.
Yeah, nice. Ooh. And the rain is picking up, but luckily we got this canopy of trees and it's not too bad. We made it to our first shelter on the way there. We're gonna go check it out. I believe it's called John's Shelter. Maybe we'll check it out and stay in there for a little bit. Look at the picnic table. Nice shelter.
Oh, hello there.
Hey, Mike and Ian are in there. I think I'll join you and get out of the rain. Oh. Nice little shelter.
Yeah.
All right, we're starting this climb up. You know how the GoPro can't tell you that it looks really, doesn't give it justice, but it's a pretty good climb. Here we go. The rain let up a little bit. It's only raining now instead of pouring. How you doing, Michael?
Wonderful. Going into four-wheel drive low.
Four-wheel drive low, that's about it. It's a pretty cool part of the trail, eh, fellas?
Yep.
All right, the fog is rolling in.
All right, let's see if we can do this. I got my glasses on so I can look over them and look down on these wet, slippery rocks. So let's see what we can do. All right.
If you fall, don't drop the GoPro.
Nope, you got to save the GoPro. It looks pretty cool, man. The fog's getting in here. Rocks are somewhat slippery because it's been raining.
All right, coming up on shelter number 2. What is this one called? Can't say. Catawba shelter, and it's starting to pour, so I think
we're gonna sit down, get something to eat.
yep. Good time for a little brunch, and it is really coming down. I'll shut up so you can hear it. Oh man. Beer box over there. Picnic table. Stairs going up into it.
Yeah, we're staying in that shelter.
Yep. Oh yeah. Brooms. Come on in, Mike. Get out of the weather. All right, so it's, you can hear this rain. It is coming down. You can't see it as good. See it coming off the roof of this shelter. There it is. Catawba shelter. We are gonna eat lunch. Good time for some lunch, boys.
Yeah, they're on. Sponsored by Jackie.
There you go. Pass it on down.
Oh, what do we have here? Oh, well, don't mind if I do. These are very tasty.
Jack Woods. This is what saffron like.
Back in the rain. AT North. McAfee Knob, 1.5 miles. That's going to be our first overlook. That's going to be hindered by the fog and rain, so whatever. And Tinker Cliffs is going to be tomorrow. And that's 6.6 from here. So off we go. Woohoo! The rain. It's making a little river on the trail. Nice, steady, pouring rain.
You just had a great lunch?
Yes, just had a great lunch. Now we're full. Walking uphill in the rain.
Going uphill, staying warm.
Yeah. You stay warm though, right?
Yep. Keeping that blood pumping.
Yeah. Mother Nature, she hears us.
Why we're here.
It's pouring rain. The rain is now down to a moderate rain and not a pour. I couldn't hold out any longer. Had to put my rain suit on, thankfully. Oh, it was starting to get wet into my bone, so I feel nice now. I think we got about another mile to McAfee Knob, and we'll see how the view is. Probably going to be disappointing with all the rain and fog and stuff, but we're here nonetheless. Made it through the power lines. Back in the woods. All right.
Hey, guess what?
What?
It's still raining out.
It's still raining. But these rock formations are so awesome. We got our own little river coming down the trail. We're almost to McAfee Knob. Pretty close now. Look at these rocks. This is pretty freaking cool. This is pretty cool. I mean, this is not the trail, but onward we go. All right. Is this it? Is this it?
They say it's not.
Mike says it's not. It says overlook. What's our overlook? Standing up in here, this little thing? No? You weasel on through this other little path. And I think this is probably it. Oh, it is. So, seen pictures of this my whole life. And now I'm getting ready to walk up on it. And there's no view because of the fog and rain. No! Please! No! And there it is. No view. That's all mountains over there. I'll put a picture up there, believe me, what it really looks like. Woohoo! Hey!
Hi, how are you? When did you get here?
Hey, I've been hanging out here in the rain, you know.
Nice.
You know. This would be so nice with the mountains, but not to be. Not to be. That's it. Back on trail. Headed to, well, we were going to go to Pig Farm Campsite, but I think we're going to hit Campbell Shelter and stay in a shelter. So off we go. All right, now downhill. Downhill to the shelter. Ugh. Follow the white blazes. White blaze, keep following it. Here they come. Here they come. So right here, we've got Tinker Cliffs, which is about 5 miles. We're going to go there tomorrow. Scorched Earth Gap, that's where we make our turn. You take a right and you go on the Appalachian Trail. You take a left, you go, that takes you down the Andy Lane Trail to our car.
Oh, cool.
Where we got dropped off, so that's the story. This has got to be Pig Farm Camp. What do we got? Water down that. Water down that way. Camp. Oh, campsite that way. I can barely read it. It says campsite that way. And remember, no camping on McAfee Knob. All right, so got to be right here. Here it is. Here's the campsites. Pick one. Which one you want? There's one there. Right here. We could do all three right here.
Oh yeah, we could.
Oh, a lot of roots, but
Oh yeah.
how about over here? Kind of hilly. Okay. This would be tough right here with all these roots. You'd have to set it perfect.
Yeah, you would have to find like that would be a good spot right there. But there's no good water. Like the new method set up right here.
Yeah. Oh well, we're gonna keep continuing on. See what we can find.
Might as well just do the whole thing today.
Yeah. Go right to the car today. Past the Pig Farm campsite into Campbell Shelter. I think that's where we're gonna check this out. This way. Follow the blue blaze off trail. I think I see it over there. Let's see what we got. There's people in there.
Yeah.
All right, all right.
Hey, how you doing? Are you guys from Michigan?
We are.
Yeah, we were told you were going to be here soon.
All right.
The couple that was just here said that you were right behind. So.
They kept going?
Yep.
Good, I think. All right. There's a bear box. Ask him if he's staying. All right, a nice bear box. We don't have to worry about hanging our food. All right, so we decided to come back up here to this little campsite here. There was two people in the shelter. We didn't want to be with them. We want to be by ourselves, so kind of a break in the rain. Ian's gonna set up over there. Mike and I are gonna set up over here. Got a fire pit. Not that it matters, but all right, Mike's got bacon here.
Shelf-stable bacon.
Shelf-stable bacon. All right, I got some too.
Oh, jeez.
You got water in there?
Nothing right now.
Nothing yet? Okay. He's got this menagerie of stuff. Ian's just doing that. I got refried beans, and I'm going to use some Mike's bacon, and I'm going to put it in there.
What do you got going on? You got your bean burrito?
Yep, refried beans, warming them up.
Okay.
And then I'm going to put some bacon in there. You ever heard of a bacon bean burrito? I just made it up, I think.
No, that's awesome. I've got a stir fry going, but I got to stir fry it.
Ian, oh, look at here. Oh, he's doing that. I'm putting bacon in my bean burrito. Oh, I'm dropping bacon. That ought to be good for the people here.
Sorry, Tim.
That's all right. We'll pick it up.
Yeah, we'll make quick work of the bacon, I'm sure.
Look, I think I'm only going with one piece. Okay.
How we looking, Mike?
It's going. You know, me burning stuff. The noodles should be good. I was gonna put in a burrito, fajita style, and I changed my mind. Okay, the broccoli ain't cooking very quick.
What'd you add just now, Mike?
Oh, I was doing sesame seed oil I brought. My little containers. What happened?
Oh, look at
We're doing
this.
flapjack. I didn't. Oh my gosh.
Got hot sauce from Taco Bell.
That is a Taco Bell hot sauce.
Wait.
Look at that.
Syrup on there, you can't tell the difference. Yeah.
All right. Look at this masterpiece Mike made.
I forgot I left the mushrooms over in my tent.
Oh, you did?
Noodles
Okay.
and stir fry, bro.
Stir fried, bruh. Look at
With
that.
ramen.
Who's gonna eat all that?
I don't know. I know. He just seen me when I started cutting it up. I was like, oh man. What's that?
Stir that. That looks good. All right.
Mixed up in there.
Dang.
Well, let's see what happens.
I can already gonna see what happens. You're gonna eat that. Yeah. It looks good.
Can't wait to watch the video. It's got color, you know. It's got color. It's got some reds in there, some oranges, some yellows, some green, some bacon. Can never go wrong with bacon.
That's right.
Never. I've never
There's
had
only one thing better than bacon.
more bacon.
Yeah. Everybody knows that one.
All right, cool. Thank
All right,
you.
Cool. Ian, how was yours?
It was good.
Hey, finished product. What does he got?
Good. I like it.
Looks good.
The carrots are done.
Look at that.
It's very colorful.
It is. It might be
Bake-
your best one so far.
I like it so far.
All right, eat
It's
it.
really good. Oh, fuck.
Everything cooked? Everything.
Yep. Everything's cooked.
You're getting to be a master at this kind of stuff.
That old pocket rocker's gonna be working out real nice.
Real nice.
Real nice.
Yeah, what the heck? Hold on. It's time for some ice cream.
Trail ice cream, freeze dried. Freeze dried vanilla sandwich bars.
Look, the picture looks awesome.
You have to pour water in it?
Yeah, saliva.
Oh, look! It even comes in a little,
Oh,
just like
yes.
it comes in a,
Just like it.
Just-
yeah, right.
just
out of the
like at
freezer.
home. Oh, geez. It was in my pack, and I think I just jammed something in there too much. So that's like,
Okay, that's bizarre.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Woohoo!
it tastes like a vanilla ice cream bar. It's pretty awesome.
Just feels weird that it's not cold.
Just not cold
Yeah.
or hot.
We do not have to hang our food bags because there is a bear box over here. Carabiner on that one. All right, hand up in there, hit the little thing. Oh, would you looky? Now looky here.
That's for the bear.
That's for the bears if he gets in. All right. Michael, put your stuff in there.
Get the garbage.
All right. And we are good. All right, so here we are for the night. Getting ready to go to bed at what time? At 7:29.
I'll try and stay up with it.
Yeah, so all right, there's my tent. Mike's set up. with the tarp. We were hanging out under there, so when it was, well, it's always been raining. It's been raining for 4 days straight here. And there's Ian.